What's up? Back again, as I always say, because I'm back again. On a Tuesday, I am sorting out my sewing machine because all my stuff arrived that I needed, like my bobbins and everything. My sewing machine was just sitting in my cupboard for like, what, 2.5, 3 weeks, waiting for all this stuff to come. It was actually hidden in the machine. But where all this stuff was hidden, all my needed accessories, it was hidden right in here. Like, I didn't even know. Only after the ordered stuff arrived to my house, only after do I realize where it was. I'm starting a bit late and I'm trying to figure all this out and how to set up. I've been kind of doing this for like 40 minutes. Your boy is having a little bit of difficulties. So yeah, set up this. Where is it? There we go. Set up this, the bobbin. Now what I've got to do is thread this string through here, which I've done, and now thread it through the needle. I know how to do that. Then I have to put this bobbin in and then thread the needle and the thread from the bobbin like through each other. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm really excited to use this because this will save me so much time, like in terms of sewing and just putting stuff together. I mean, it's like it cuts time down in like more than half. My production levels will probably go up because I can get so much done in a short amount of time. Things don't take so long. But then it kind of maybe sacrifices the kind of quality, even though my hand sewing isn't the best of quality, but it has this kind of like look that I like to it that probably won't be the same like when using a sewing machine. But still, I guess I can always come back to hand sewing if I really want to and I want to take my time and make it look a certain way. I'm just excited to learn how to use this wonderful machine, Janome. Also, I've got Mantas coming over later today. I gave him a medium shirt to take home and work on, and I think he's started on that and he's finished the back of the shirt. See how it comes out. And I'm gonna finish sorting all this out. Once I finish sorting all that out, I'll come back. I'll give you like a little tour of how you maneuverings through the machine. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't really know what's gonna happen. Didn't even expect to film a video today, but here I am filming a video for you guys, which I hope you enjoy. Back. I am back, and you know what? It's done. I have sorted out the machine. I have made my first thing on the machine. Let me show you. This little bag. It can be used as a little bag, or it can be used as a finger protector. You know, during this coronavirus, if you don't have gloves and you have a sewing machine, you have some fabrics, you can make your own gloves, or you can make yourself some finger protective gear, bruh. Yeah. Okay, so update. Mantas isn't coming around anymore, so that's out the window. On another note, I made a little finger pouch. Yeah, I seem to be making a lot of hand and finger related stuff. I don't even know. It wasn't even supposed to be for my finger. This was supposed to be for my dog's paw. I wanted to see if I can make something like that, but it didn't happen. It's a lot harder than I actually thought it would be. Like, I mean, it is my first time using a sewing machine. Since the last time I used it was probably in secondary school, no, primary school, so good 7 years or so. Even less than that, maybe more than that. So yeah, I just kind of have to get my lines straight and everything, get used to like how the machine moves, and also for some reason, sometimes I'll sew and it skips. It will skip a whole bunch, but I go over it, but it doesn't go in. I don't know why. If you are watching and you have any experience with sewing, and you have any tips or anything that you would love to leave, that would be awesome. Tips would help right now. This video has been kind of a video from the same spot and just kind of me talking. I hope you guys like these videos. If you don't, let me know. If you do, also let me know. Right, so my sister came into my room and she has brought me some weapons from like the Stone Age. That's what this reminds me of. Where did you get this stick from? Oh.
We went to the park because my cousin's over and she has like some nature homework.
Okay.
And she needs to get stones for it, so we went to the park to get stones, and that's how we got stones, and I found the stick.
This kind of reminds me of bamboo, but it's not bamboo, of course. It's a tree bark. So if anyone wants any Stone Age tools, you could call them, I guess. Stone Age caveman. Stone Age isn't. These are what these are. A stone axe. We have a stone shovel. Anyone like Minecraft? And you want to get any custom stuff made? You want to start your own real life survival adventure? My sister is the person to come to. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think these are too bad for my first ever sewing. It's like, it looks neatly done. I mean, apart from the bottom part. But yeah, I am happy with what came out today. And we got a finger warmer. So interested in getting any finger warmers done? You got cold fingers, you got cold toes, you got cold nose. You know what to come. The finger sewing, cold uncolding sewing master. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. If you watched the last video I posted, me and my friend Mantas worked on a shirt, and it's all done. So I thought I'd show you. So this is it. It's all done. What we had to do was stitch on these fabrics, which I did at the back. And yeah, my camera's a bit like. There we go. That is better. Yeah, that's it. Just stitched all of these on, and that is it. The shirt. It is finished and now it's up for sale on my Instagram if anyone is interested. With that being said, I've decided today to do the Ouija myself because I did it like a couple days ago with a friend. I was supposed to film it, but I didn't film it because I just kind of felt like I didn't want to film it. I just wanted to do it, have an experience, and oh boy, did I have an experience. Yeah. When I went downstairs, my friend's bag was downstairs. It was upside down, so both wheels are like facing up. And I went to bring my dog my bed. As I walked into my room, I go to place down my dog's bed, and I look behind me. The wheel is spinning. It's just like, it's spinning. And as soon as I shout my friend's name, the wheel just dead stops. Like it's spinning and it just dead stops. I was a bit weird to experience that because I've never experienced anything like that. That is probably gonna be the next thing that I'm doing. Let's see what we can come in contact with, if we can even. So yeah. Before any of that happens, I'm just gonna enjoy the last moments of light. Yeah, I need to figure out how I'm gonna set everything up. Because ideally, I would want to have kind of cameras around the room to capture different angles of like what I'm trying to film. So that's ideally, but I don't have the right equipment for that, and I also don't have my usual tripod stand that I use. So there is my cat. What up, Bona? Bona, 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 Bona. That is her name, Bona. It is a spider web. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when it's time to Ouija.